Hey guys, Brian Anderson, SoCal Coaster 521 coming at you. Wanted to head outside really quick with you guys. Holy crap, this summer has been nothing but rain and lightning and all this other stuff that is just absolutely insane. Hopefully he'll do this for us. While we're waiting, got the American flag out for 4th of July coming up in 2 days. Got some people down there playing in the rain, dancing in the rain. Ooh, there's a good one right there. Ooh, there's another good one. See if we can get one more good one here on camera. Watch now, it's not going to do it for us. But wow, this rain's just picking up like crazy. There goes our friends again. Absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. Hopefully we get some good light. Oh, holy shit. That was definitely a strike out there. Wow. Definitely got a good thunder strike out there, or lightning strike. And just like that, the rain slows down. Wow. Let's see, one more. All I'm asking for is one more strike. One more strike, please. Well, hopefully this rain goes away come 4th of July. Hopefully this doesn't put a damper on the festivities. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and pose behind here, just in case we do get some more lightning. But anyway, just like that. Alright, well, this has been Brian Anderson, SoCal Coaster 521, signing out here from Coeur, Idaho. It's beautiful.